So this is Bluetooth RC car CCS project. So the CCS project or program is just simple. So we're just going to do code review. So I created a custom CCS project from simple peripheral and I name it RC car peripheral. So for Bluetooth service, I created a custom Bluetooth service with one characteristics and with property read write. So at RC car peripheral init, we call RC car peripheral L298 and init, which will initialize the pins that will be connected to L298 and in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4. So here are the motor pin configuration table. So we're going to use the launchpad DIO25 to connect to in 1, DIO26 to connect to in 2, DIO27 to connect to in 3, DIO28 to connect to in 4. So okay. So when we write to the characteristics, it will go to this. Okay, so continue. So when we write to the characteristics one, it will go to this user car service value change callback, which will queue with QID SBB car change event. So it will go to RC car peripheral task function, which will process that event, queue event, and then we'll go to here, and then we'll go to here to process the app message, and then press that QID and go to here. RC car peripheral process car value change event. So for example, we write 01 to go for the RC car to go forward. It will go to here. It will get that parameter, retrieve that 01. So 01 is forward. So here, forward is 1. And then set the DIO 25, 26, 27, 28 to 01, 01, making the RC car move forward. So if we send 02 here, it will go to here, and then we'll set the DIO25 1, DIO26 0, DIO27 1, DIO28, which will make the RC car go to reverse. So another is so what I did is when we intentionally turn off the Bluetooth, I set the DIO 25, 26, 27, 28 to 0000, which will make the RC car stop. When it's out of range, so gap roll waiting after timeout, I also set the DIO 25, 26, 27, 28, 0000, which will make the RC car stop. So here. So what I will do is rebuild all and flash the X file to the Bluetooth RC car. So this is the Bluetooth RC car and it's already powered. So to connect the battery holder L298N board and CC2640R to flange pad, I use the double-sided tape with the foam type. So here. So to elevate the launch pad, I use glue gun stick, as you can see. So this is testing on the table. So I already connected it. No, not yet. So I'm going to connect. So here, I'm going to write value. 01 to move forward. Reverse. So this reverse. Turn left. Turn right.